Hello friends, today we are making two family favorite pizzas, the loaded pepperoni and spicy chicken tikka. Let's start with the dough. Add all the dry and wet ingredients in a bowl. Roughly mix before adding any water. Add water and knead thoroughly to form a dough. Cover and let rest for 2 to 3 hours in a warm place. Now comes our toppings. Prepare all the toppings for the pizzas to take form. After 2 to 3 hours, take the dough out. Roll with hands on a clean work surface. Roll to form a big ball. Then divide it into two for two separate toppings. Roll first with hands, then use a rolling pin. Place the base on a baking tray. Spread pizza sauce over the rolled base. A thin layer of cheese next. And all the toppings follow. A generous layer of cheese before going in the oven. Preheat oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Now place the prepared pizza to bake in the oven. Reduce heat to 180 degrees centigrade. Roll the second base the same way as the first one. Add all the toppings. Sprinkle some added tikka poti masala on top before the final layer of cheese. Add cheese, place in the oven and bake till completely done. It will take about 35 to 40 minutes for the pizzas to become ready. Delicious pizzas are ready. Enjoy hot with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.